Want an autograph? Too bad, because I think I left my favorite pen back at home. Has anyone gotten eaten by that dinosaur I heard is roaming around the vast? What do you mean there isn't a dinosaur here? What? It's me! Okay, you can put that giant foam finger with my face on. Where did you even get that from? Call now, 1-900-49-NOLI. Forget it, French is hard. You know, buying that club membership is actually gonna make you run faster. It's me! Okay, you can put that giant foam finger with my face on. Where did you even get that from?